So you're actually standing at a crossroads right now, and you have a choice to make. You can always go back the way you came, that direction there, and stay stuck where you're at right now. Or you could take that side road. That might lead you to a new adventure, something new, i.e. maybe starting your YouTube channel. Or you could take this road, which could be your other social media, stuff like TikTok, Instagram, things like that. Or instead of going backwards, you could just keep going straight, living the same life you have been all this time. So many times I've had people get into my comments and they've said, but I'm too old to get on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram and start doing this. I'm 50 years old. I started doing social media, TikTok and stuff like that probably about 6 years ago. I had zero knowledge about filming this stuff correctly, cuts, transitions, or any of that stuff. So what I did have, though, was the desire to actually do something different. And that meant breaking out of my comfort zone and actually starting to learn the filming processes, how they work, and learning how to tell a story with my videography. I've met several YouTubers along the way, and one of the gentlemen that I met gave me probably the best advice that I've ever had. He told me, hit record. Start recording videos. Doesn't matter that you don't know how to edit. Doesn't matter that you know how to put everything together to make it look good. Just start recording and get 1% better with every video that you post. You know what? I did that. I started making videos and they were rough. They looked bad. I was shooting everything on an iPhone 11. Yeah, this is a completely beautiful area, but at the same time, if you're gonna do this kind of hiking, wear some thick pants. I didn't have the fancy cameras, the Sonys, the Canons, the DJIs, or any of that when I first got started. It was literally an iPhone. And I followed Roberto's advice. And I started posting videos. And eventually I got to 1,000 subs. That 1,000 subs started to open doors for me. Brand deals, different companies wanting to work for me, affiliate programs. So I started joining some of these programs, the Amazon, the TikTok, all of that. And that's where this went from being a hobby to actually making an income. I had one video that made me over $37,000 in 1 month. And it was simply by following the advice of hit record. To date, I have made probably around 6,000 videos. That includes all the different platforms that I post to, including YouTube. Thousands of followers. And I would say probably the most important thing is now that I'm actually earning an income doing this thing called social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of it. So if somebody actually comes and tells you you're too old to do this, don't listen to them. Again, I'm 50 years old. I can do this. So can you. Over the next few months, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I have actually learned doing social media, the different filming techniques, cuts, how to make transitions, things like that, filming, what settings to have your cameras to. And possibly along the way, I'm going to be showing you some of the different products that I use. I will obviously have everything linked below because this is part of how I make money. With all that being said, what I really want at this point is for you, drop a comment below. Ask me anything. Ask me what it's like to start doing this particular thing that they call a young man or a young woman's game. See, what a lot of people don't realize is that companies that are out there looking to work with you are actually wanting to work with some of us older generation. One, because we have the money. We're the ones who are actually spending our money and buying these products. So they actually do want to work with us. So again, just drop a comment below, subscribe, like, share, you know the routine, and I'll get back to you and we'll talk about different processes to actually learning how to do YouTube.